This 2023 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 32G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 7, TV antenna, air conditioning, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, stove-top burner, LP detector, microwave, oven, smoke detector, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 32G is 9,569 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.